Good morning and welcome back. I'm Jason Sponzilli with Sponzilli Landscape Group. And today I'm going to have you join me as we go along on our Landscape Inspiration series. And we are live in North Caldwell, New Jersey on this wonderful construction site where we're about to create this amazing backyard environment for this client. Pool, walls, cabanas, outdoor kitchen, fire pits. Just about everything you could possibly need and imagine is about to come to life. So join me. Prior to this project taking place, this backyard was essentially flat, nothing but grass and some plantings. And along with our design team and our production management team, we began construction, began excavation, and started to develop what you're seeing behind you. There's a lot of great elements in this project which I want to focus in on right now with you. Obviously, as you can see, here's a tremendous pool with a lot of customization to it. There's an upper shelf for people to lounge and for kids to play, and then as that pool begins to change in depth from shallow to deep. We also created a grotto feature where water will trickle over like a waterfall, where people could actually sit underneath that and have that great sense of seclusion. There's a hot tub. This hot tub will also have a cascading waterfall which will go into the pool to create a nice difference in importance. We have an upper area here which is now going to bring in a fire pit. The fire pit will be close to the grotto as well to give that sense of water and fire. And what we have behind here is going to be a gazebo. And all these elements will be tied directly close to the pool so that when you're in the pool and you want to get out to get some warmth or to get some shelter, you have that without having to go back into the home. The primary focus for the client, aside from having a great pool that they can have enjoyment with their family and friends, was to have usable, functional outdoor space for cooking, for entertaining, for dining. So what we've done is, walking out of the house now, you have this creation to be completed soon. Is going to be an outdoor kitchen. That outdoor kitchen will have all the amenities and the appliances necessary, and what you see here is the stubbing up of conduit and gas lines and electric lines in order for us to hook everything up. It'll be a beautiful curvature to the kitchen to kind of complement the way of the design that we have here and to play into the symmetry of the pool shape that we have also. This will be a nice bluestone patio, which complements again the stone and some of the natural stone veneer that's on the home. And then what we have back in here, we have these walls and these columns. And this particular area now will have columns going up. It'll have a covered porch overhead. We'll have a ceiling fan and some hi-hats. There'll obviously be some type of an outdoor dining table. And then above is the client's master bedroom. Those French doors will open up and there'll be a surround patio and porch upstairs, so they can come out and enjoy the view of their backyard both at the lower level and at the upper level.